Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Wells Fargo online banking. To log in Wells Fargo online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.wellsfargo.com. Then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to official website of Wells Fargo. Now here you can see login box on the left side. To log in, you need to first enter your username on the given box. With that, you need to enter the correct password of your online banking. Then, if you want your username to be remembered, then click on Save Username option. It's better if you don't click this box if you are using a shared device or a public device. With that, if you haven't enrolled on online banking, then you can click on Enroll option. Similarly, if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign On option. Then you need to go through authentication process for your account. You'll get an access code on your mail, so enter the access code from your mail. After that, you'll be able to complete your two-factor authentication and you'll be logged on to your online banking. This is how we can log in Wells Fargo online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.